Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have my everyday makeup routine video for you guys. I basically filmed this makeup look right here. This has been my go-to makeup look, you guys. It's very different from other everyday makeup routines that I've shared with you guys. My makeup style has definitely changed. It's a lot more minimal now. So I definitely wanted to film this in detail and share the products with you guys and the steps that I like to do with you guys. So if you're interested in knowing how to achieve this everyday makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I've been loving for every day, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get started with the makeup look. I'm going in with the Laneige sleeping mask, and I've just been loving this to prep my lips because honestly, like, they're so dry right now because of the winter. Honestly, everything is dry right now, like my face, my lips, my hands. Like, my hands are so crusty right now, and that's just on winter. To bring back some moisture to the face, I'm going in with the Merit Great Skin. I'm just using the mini just because I have it on hand. I've been traveling recently, so I've just had this in my makeup bag. I like to take 2 pumps of this on my hand and then just apply it onto the face. I used to pump directly on my face, but then I used to get it like all over my clothes. So just to avoid that, I pump it on my hand, and that way I have control over where the product is going. Next up, I'm going in with the Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum. I absolutely love this stuff. I use this on no makeup days and makeup days. It just makes my under eyes feel really nice. Like, it's so cooling. Like, it feels like I just took it out of the freezer or the fridge, but I didn't. I don't know what it is, but the formula is just so amazing, and it just feels so good under the eyes. And I feel like it's really good to depuff the under eyes and also just get them prepped for makeup. So I really love this step. You'll see my makeup routine has really shifted more towards skin prep and skincare and less about kind of caking on the makeup on my face. Don't get me wrong, I love that phase of my life, and I still do love wearing a lot of makeup and getting glam, but that's definitely not my thing for every day anymore. I definitely like wearing a lot less. I feel like that's just the transition from, you know, pandemic days, you know, just not wearing as much makeup during the pandemic, and then just getting used to that when, you know, circling back into real life, you know, returning back to the office a couple times a week and being able to interact with friends more and going out more and traveling. So I feel like the pandemic definitely shifted my makeup style as well as age. I feel like the older I'm getting, the more I'm appreciating my natural beauty and my natural skin, and I don't feel the need to wear as much anymore. So let me know in the comments down below if you're the same. I feel like it's a thing. So yeah, I'm definitely more of a skincare girly, skin prep. I've been appreciating that stuff a lot more. Next, I'm going in with some skin primer. I'm going in with the Skin Ink Supplement Bar. I've been using this a lot lately. It's really nice, you guys. I like to put this more on the T-zone. I will blend it out throughout the whole face, but I like to concentrate it on the T-zone. I feel like post-pandemic, like currently trendy makeup is definitely more minimal. It's not so heavy glam anymore. And honestly, I've been looking at my stats for my YouTube channel, and I'm seeing that a lot more of my viewers want to see everyday makeup looks. They want to see more soft glam looks. They don't really care for the heavy glam. So definitely, I feel like it's not just me now that I think of it. I definitely see a shift in what my audience wants to see. Don't worry though, I'm still gonna be having my super glam looks, you guys, because at the end of the day, I will follow the trends and I will follow what the audience statistics are showing, but I also know there are full glam girlies out there that still appreciate those videos, and I still love playing with makeup, and this channel is my outlet to basically be creative and go crazy with makeup. So don't worry, you'll still see heavy glam looks, super glam looks. I'm not gonna stop those, but I definitely want to bring more natural everyday looks in because I definitely see a pattern and a trend there. So you'll be getting more videos like this. Finishing off the skin prep with some Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. This is the rose water and green tea. I did not realize I was going to be so chatty in today's video. I'm going in with some Charlotte Tilbury color corrector, and I'm just going to color correct my face. I like to add this under the eyes, around my mouth, and on any imperfections on the face. So I'll probably add some here because I have some acne scars, and up here, and I do have like a little dry patch there. Like I don't know what's going on there. So I'm just going to basically perfect my imperfections. Alright, so color correcting is done. Next up, I want to go in with my Merit complexion stick. This is the Minimalist in the shade Sand. And I'm just going to use this as foundation. Like I'll just apply this all over the face just to get like an even tone on the face. I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested in checking out Merit products. I absolutely love Merit, you guys, and I love pairing the Minimalist with the Great Skin product. I feel like they work so well together. Having this on the base really helps this product just glide and even out your skin tone so effortlessly. It's just so smooth and I love it. The Minimalist can be used as concealer or as like a complexion stick, which is what I did today. It can work as foundation or concealer. It's really whatever you want it to be, which I absolutely love. Just look how effortlessly it's blending out the skin and just giving a nice kind of filter on the face without being so heavy. Alright, base is done. I absolutely love it. I will set everything in place once I'm done putting on any more cream products. So I do want to go in with some blush. This is the Cheek color by Merit in the shade Cheeky. I'm just taking the color on a beauty sponge. Sometimes I'll go directly in with the product, but I want to use the sponge today, and I'm just going to buff the blush into the skin. Definitely went in with way too much product, but don't worry, you will see what happens. So for every day, I don't really like to contour. I like to just stick to blush. So what I'm gonna do next is just set the face in place, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder, and I'm in the shade Pound Cake. So I'm going to use this to set the entire face, and then I'm going to go in with some powder blush on top of the cream blush. The blush amount that I have on might be a little bit too much for some people, but I personally love a lot of blush, especially because I don't do much with the eyes and I don't really contour or highlight. Like I just like my blush to do a lot of the talking on my face for every day. I'm definitely, you know, having a blush phase, so that's why I have a lot on. Can't forget about the lids. So I like to let this sit for about 30 seconds, and then I'll just take my brush and brush away any excess powder and also just kind of blend it out into the skin. I'll also take any excess powder and just go over top of the blush as well, just because I will be going in with the powder blush and I just want to set the blush in place. So this next step is personal preference. It's not really necessary. I sometimes do this and I sometimes don't. So obviously the Merit blush is definitely enough. You guys can see there's beautiful pigment. I set the cheeks in place. They're not gonna move. But sometimes if I want to amplify the cheeks a little bit, I will go in with like a powder blush on top, and this is the Persona Super Blush in Caramel. Again, it's not necessary. Like I'm looking at this, I'm looking at my face, and honestly the blush looks fine. I probably don't need more, but I do want to show you guys this step because sometimes I do it. Like it really depends on my mood. Like if I want more color, I'll do this, because obviously once you set it in place, you don't want to go in with cream product again. You're just gonna have, you know, patchy skin at that point and you're gonna want to cry. You know, once you've put powder, you can't go back. You've committed. You need to stick to powders now once you set your face. So I'll just go in with a little bit of blush and just add a little bit more color. And again, not necessary, and it really depends on my mood. I will add a little bit on the chin too sometimes. Again, it depends on the vibe. Quickly doing my brows. For brows, you guys know I'm a really simple girl when it comes to brows. I just like to use a tinted gel and I'll just brush through them. So this is the Benefit Gimme Brow, I believe. So yeah, I'm just a simple girl. I don't really do too much to the brows. And yeah, that's it. And it literally takes like 30 seconds and your brows are done. So I love this. Alright, brows are done. Next up, I want to do my eyes, and all I do for eyes is just go in with mascara, and I'll just go in with whatever I have on hand. Today I have the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. I did review this product and I didn't love it, but I don't like to be wasteful, so since I have a full bottle, I'm definitely working on getting through it, and it's perfect to just use for every day. So I'm just gonna pop this on the eyes. Alright, eyes are done. Next up, I just need to do my lips and then we are all done. So my current favorite lip combo has been the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut, and I've just been loving my Summer Fridays lip balm. This is the Lip Butter Balm, and I have the shade Vanilla Beige. Shout out to my sister, she got this for me. I did do a review of this product, so that video should be up either before this video or after, so definitely check that out. I deep dive into this product and show you guys like a bunch of different ways as to how you can use this product. But yeah, basically for every day, I just pair it with my favorite lip liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Vanilla Beige does have a subtle tint to it. It has like a soft beige tint, so I feel like this just pairs really well with like a brown lip liner or like a deep lip liner. So yeah, that is basically my current favorite lip combo. The very last thing I'm going to do is just lock everything in place with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury, and that's basically it for the everyday makeup. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my current everyday makeup routine. You guys will see that it's very different compared to my other everyday makeup routines. I definitely wear a lot less makeup. I skip a lot of steps, but this has been just my go-to routine. This is what I do every day if I need to get ready. I just went on vacation recently with my husband. We went to Mexico, and every time I did my makeup, this was basically what I did. So even on vacation, I didn't overdo it. I think I only got glammed for like dinners, but like for the daytime, this was my go-to makeup look. So I absolutely love it. It's super clean, super easy and cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. All of the products that I used today will be listed down below, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you're interested in checking out any Merit products, I will leave a link down below, so definitely check that out. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.